Let's see how to rearrange menu items in your Wix website. Rearranging menu items in Wix helps you organize your site's navigation and improve user experience. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to reorder menu items using the Wix editor. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser. Once you're in, click Design Your Website. You will see a document button on the left panel of your Wix. It is labeled as Pages and Menu, which is this. A list of all your site's pages will appear, showing their current order in the menu, and you can now edit your site menu. You could duplicate, remove, or even add pages. That's how to rearrange your menu items in your Wix website. See you soon!